Ang ating mga ina at mga anak ang kinabukasan ng bayan. Ngunit sila rin ang pinakatinatamaan ng kahirapan. Huwag tayong pumayag. Sa October 17 to 19, tumayo tayo laban sa kahirapan. Mag-inay iligtas, batay pag-aralin.
The Millennium Development Goals are a global commitment to reduce poverty all over the world by the year 2015. The Millennium Campaign is a means to that end. On the 17th, 18th and 19th, let us all stand up and take action so that people in this beautiful country of Philippines are no longer poor.
Join us as we have this campaign, the Stand Up Take Action campaign against poverty.
From tomorrow onward, for next 3 days, you have millions of people standing up against poverty for Millennium Development Goals.
The Filipino people have spoken. People from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao stood up and acted against poverty and for the Millennium Development Goals. Sending a message from the highest level of government to act now and end poverty by 2015. And ensure that all children finish primary school and mothers receive health care.
But we recognize we have to continue working with other nations in order to achieve outcomes that help everyone. The Philippines remains steadfast in its commitment to the United Nations and joins the rest of the world in celebrating the nobility of its goals.
Sino pang magdadamayan, kundi tayo rin. Kung may pagkakataong tumulong, huwag palampasin.
Simula na ang magtanim ng mabubuting gawain, dahil sino pang aani, kundi tayo rin.
Wala naman dyan! Sino pang magdadamayan, kundi tayo rin. Kung may pagkakataong tumulong, huwag palampasin.
On October 17, 18, and 19, 2008, the Philippines made history.
Nakiisa ang Pilipinas sa pandaigdigang kampanyang Stand Up, Take Action o SUTA ng United Nations.
President Gloria Arroyo led the country today in standing up against poverty. Joining her in making the commitment to alleviate poverty in the country are students from various schools.
Even students are taking part in helping create awareness and alleviate poverty in the country. 3,000 elementary and high school students from De La Salle Subel School participated in the Stand Up and Speak Out campaign this morning. They say this is in response to the United Nations call for world leaders to end poverty.
Sino pang magdadamayan, kundi tayo rin. Kung may pagkakataong tumulong, huwag palampasin. Simulan nang magtanim ng mabubuting gawain, kahit sino pang aalin, kundi tayo rin. Halika, kumilos na sabay tayo, tara may oras pa, tulungan tayo.
In the Philippines, 35.2 million people stood up and took action.
I commend your achievement in Millennium implementation process, particularly through very successful stand up for MDG and fight against poverty. Now, I know that you set the world record by mobilizing more than 1/3 of total population of the Philippines That's amazing and big success, and I congratulate you on your success.
35 million Filipinos, 1/3 of the Philippine population, became one in letting its dream of a poverty-free Philippines fly onward to 2015.
Stand up and take action against poverty.
Stand up and take action against poverty.
Stand up and take action against poverty.
Wow, we made it. 35.2 million people stood up to take action against poverty in the Philippines. We broke the Guinness Book of Records. Congratulations to everybody that worked for this.
Sino pang magdadamayan, kundi tayo rin. Kung may pagkakataong tumulong, huwag palampasin.
Simula na ang magtanim ng mabubuting gawain, dahil sino pang aani, kundi tayo rin.
Sino pang magdadamayan, kundi tayo rin. Kung may pagkakataong tumulong, huwag palampasin. Simulan ng magtanim ng mabubuting